Hi guys, today on Frugal Cooking, we're going to be making a sweet chili sauce. First, we're going to take our chili peppers. Today we're using poblamos, which is a Mexican chili pepper. It's a dried chili. We're going to cut off the tips and the ends and add it to a pot along with its seeds. Now, a sweet chili sauce is a great dipping sauce for things like spring rolls or even crab rangoon. We're going to cover this with water. Now you want to add enough water just to cover the chilies. We're going to put this on the heat and bring it to a boil. You want to boil this for a good 10 to 15 minutes until the chili peppers start to rehydrate as well as soften up. Now we're going to take our immersion blender and we're going to blend this up until it's nice and smooth. Now, of course, you could use a regular blender too. Now, as we're blending this, you could either smooth it out or you can make it a little chunkier, depending on what you want to serve it with. When it comes to sweet chili sauce, I like it a little bit chunkier. It adds more texture, more flavor to it. Now let's talk about other things that we could use this chili sauce for. It's actually really great for coating your hot wings, or you could actually use it for cooking a lot of Asian cuisine. Now let's keep blending until we get our desired texture. And like I said before, you can keep blending it until it's nice and smooth, allowing the seeds just to show through. Or you can blend it until it's a little chunkier, depending on what you want to serve it with. As a dipping sauce, you want something in between the two, something that's going to stick on to your food. Now, as you see, we have our desired texture that we want. Now, while it's hot, we're going to add our remaining ingredients. Now, what we have here is about a quart of liquid. So we're going to measure out our ingredients depending on the amount of liquid that we have. Now, to this, we're going to add about a cup of sugar. Now, this sugar, when brought back onto a boil, will start to caramelize and thicken up. Now, for our seasoning, we're going to add a tablespoon of garlic, now this garlic is going to give the sweet chili sauce more of a rustic flavor. Now we're going to add a tablespoon of salt. Now this salt is more of a flavor enhancer than it is a seasoning. So it's going to bring out the actual flavor of the sweet chili sauce. And a teaspoon of black pepper. And that's it. That's all the seasoning that you need. We're going to stir this up and put it back on to a boil for about another 15 to 20 minutes. Now what's going to happen is the sugar is going to start to caramelize and you're going to see a clear sheen over the top of the sauce. That's how you know that your sugar is cooking. Now we're just going to add some scallions in there for a little bit more texture and taste. So what we really have here is just a little bit of sweet and a little bit of heat. We're going to measure this out into a quart container. As you can see how thick the sauce became. You can cool this down and it'll become even more thicker. Perfect for dipping sauce. And that's it, guys. Hope you guys try it and enjoy it. Leave a comment and let me know if you want to see other things that you want me to cook. And like always, thanks for tuning in.